Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, performance, and innovation come together like never before. Today, we're looking at one of the most outrageous luxury vehicles ever imagined, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a $3 million rolling mansion designed to combine hypercar-inspired styling with first-class travel comfort. This is not just a motorhome. It's a futuristic palace on wheels created for people who want ultimate luxury, advanced technology, and unmatched exclusivity on every journey. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome looks absolutely breathtaking. Inspired by Bugatti's legendary hypercars, the design features the iconic horseshoe grille, ultra-slim LED headlights, sculpted aerodynamic body lines, and premium carbon fiber detailing that instantly make it stand out on the road. Massive luxury alloy wheels, futuristic lighting signatures, and a sleek low-profile design give this motorhome the appearance of a moving supercar rather than a traditional RV. Every detail feels aggressive, elegant, and incredibly expensive. Step inside, and the Bugatti Motorhome feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a vehicle. The cabin is finished with handcrafted leather, Alcantara, polished metal accents, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that creates a futuristic atmosphere. The spacious lounge area features premium reclining seats, a massive smart entertainment display, advanced digital controls, and a world-class surround sound system. The kitchen area includes luxury appliances, modern countertops, and hidden storage solutions, while the private bedroom offers a king-size bed, panoramic windows, designer lighting, and luxury wardrobes. The bathroom feels like a spa with marble-inspired finishes, rainfall shower features, and premium fixtures designed for maximum comfort. Performance is also expected to impress. The Bugatti Motorhome could use a high-output hybrid or twin-turbo powertrain delivering massive torque, smooth acceleration, and effortless highway cruising. Adaptive air suspension, advanced all-wheel drive, premium braking systems, and intelligent driver assistance features ensure this massive luxury RV remains stable, quiet, and comfortable on long-distance journeys. Technology includes adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, voice-controlled systems, smart connectivity, and advanced navigation designed for luxury travel. Starting at around $3 million, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is built for the ultra-wealthy who want the most exclusive RV experience imaginable. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a rolling ultra-luxury lifestyle statement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury vehicle reviews right here on Road Roar.